I got a package in the mail a couple days ago. I haven't opened it yet. A girl on my Instagram DM'd me. Her name is Yasmin. Such a pretty name, first of all. She wanted to send me some things. She did send me a video, but I completely forgot already. So it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. She has some really cute fits, so I am excited about this. She put butterflies all over the package. So cute, right? My sister's in the background. Oh, she wrapped it up so cute, y'all. Oh my god, a lollipop! Oh yeah, I forgot to say this too. She's from the UK. Extra shook about that. So this is like super cute. This is like the first thing I've ever gotten from UK. We have this cute little sequin bag. Cute. This slip. Ooh, it's like super soft. This lace. Did I shave my armpits today? I think I did. I love the color. This is like one of my favorite colors. This mauve pink. This lace long sleeve. I could put like a bralette underneath or something. Cute. Then she got me this dress. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. I have been wanting like a cute summer dress like this. Oh, and it has like a nice little like slit in the front. Super stretchy and comfortable. And this material is great because I live in Texas and it's freaking hot. We have these pants. I'm actually shook because pants right now, I don't know why. I don't know why I have this thing where I think I'm the same size as I was when I was in high school. And I'm like, oh, I look at something like that will fit me. And then I put it on, I'm like, girl, that does not fit you. Like, you have gotten bigger. Like, that's the problem I have when I thrift like pants and things. I think they'll fit me and then they don't. And I'm like, wait, what? I'm like so confused. Hopefully I'll have good luck with these pants. Oh my god. They're like trousers. Cute midi. It's kind of looks, seems like a midi maxi. I don't know, it's pretty long. What I've been seeing also, I've been seeing girls that they use the skirt as like a dress. Like the midi skirts, they wear it as a dress. Like, would that work? I'm really hoping that these pants fit. They feel a little loose. They're too big, y'all. Sad. This does not look cute with my Nike socks, but that's cute. That's cute. Okay, last thing I'm gonna show the dress. I feel like it's probably a little sheer. What would you wear with this then? No underwear? I guess this is more like a beach dress, isn't it? So I will try this off camera. The stickers are so cute. I'm gonna put one on me. Now that I finally opened that, I've been waiting. We're gonna do some packages. I don't know what it is, but Depop has been bumping. Is Depop finally out of its little funk? I'm actually shook. I've gotten so many sales recently. If you have a Depop shop, let me know how it's doing. Is it picking back up again? I don't normally ship every single day, but I feel like now that Depop has changed their payment thing, that we won't get paid until 1 to 3 days after it's delivered. Now I feel like it's smarter now to have to ship every single day. We had just done packages 2 days ago, and I already have 8 packages to ship out in 2 days. I'm good with that. Like, that is how it should be. See, like, this is satisfying to see. So I'm gonna show you guys what sold real quick and for how much. Banana Republic maxi skirt. This is such high quality. I sold it for $32. We have this paisley midi skirt. I sold for $24.50. Then we have this vintage XOXO denim midi skirt. The slit in the front is slay. I sold this for $40. We have this Ralph Lauren sweater I've had forever. I sold it finally for $23. We have these Lucky Brand low-rise jeans. These were personally mine for a while, but they no longer fit me, so I had to get rid of them. And I sold them for $40. Then we have another personal thing of mine was this maxi skirt. I sold for $35. I feel like I never really wore it, so hopefully someone else will. Next we have the City Triangles fairy dress. I sold for $38. Another dress from last week was in my thumbnail. I sold for $38. And that's all the items we have to ship out today. Now I'm just gonna quickly package them and get them shipped out. Hey guys, not the music, it's the air. It's freaking loud because it is so hot outside. It is the first Saturday of the month, which means Goodwill is 50% off today. I wanted to wake up early and get here right when it opened because, oh my god, that scared me for a split second. Sorry, hold on, I jumped. I wanted to wake up early and get there right when it opened because I knew it was going to be packed, but that didn't happen. It is now 12 p.m. It is extremely packed. There's literally no parking. I had to park so far away from it. Goodwill's like way over there. So I will try my best to get clips in. Hopefully it's not super crowded because in that Goodwill, I don't really like to go to this Goodwill. First of all, because the employees are like weird with me. I don't know, I get a weird vibe. And second, it is so crowded already. The aisles are always like very small and there's like no windows. And it just seems like so dark and like crowded. I would try my best to get clips. Right when I walked in, there was no carts, so the majority of this trip I had nowhere to put my camera. So I'm just gonna show you what I ended up putting into my cart. First was this dress from Wet Seal. It gave me Princess Polly vibes, but you know, it wasn't vintage, so I didn't get it. This early 2000s dress reminded me so much of the dress I recently just found. And now giving it a second look, I kind of think the bottom is hideous, so I'm passing. This paisley summer dress was cute, but you know what? It's not giving. I found this early 2000s mini skirt, actually a skirt because it had tights underneath. It had that cross waistband that people are like crazy about, but you know what? The color is a little too much. Next was this tie-dye vibe maxi skirt. I feel like green pants or cargos or just like linen pants are super in trend for the summer. I was actually excited about this find, but you know what? I feel like it's faded and not like the best quality, so I passed. I thought this knitted cardigan was super cute. Gave me 90s vibes with like a maxi skirt and a bralette underneath. Slay. In the knitting, it had like this floral look to it, which was cool. I believe this was an early 2000s Express cami. The fit just seemed very loose and not flattering, so I passed. Next was this early 2000s Agassi 2 halter. There was a part where the feathers weren't attached to the top, and you know what? I could have used fabric glue and fixed it. I regret not getting this. This could have been such a slay. Next was this basic black tube top. I'm getting this for my Depop pics. Then we have this cute off-the-shoulder 90s top. Very cute and timeless. You can't go wrong. This was an early 2000s Express dress. More like a cotton material. It had a cross back and the bottom had like cute little detail on it. Cute but not giving. Next was this New York & Company dress, giving 90s vibes, 90s grunge. I love this dress. This was a yes. Next was this red dress. Looking at it, it is hideous, so no. And the sleeves are way too short and doesn't look like it would be flattering, so no. I never go for nightgowns, but I don't know why this one caught my eye. But quality was not the best. Next was this pink floral bustier cami. Really cute, but for some reason it was kind of fading into orange, so I had to pass. Could have been a moment. Next was this early 2000s lace dress. Super flattering, ruched detail, one shoulder, and the sleeve was flared at the end, which is super pretty, so this is a yes. Next was this maxi skirt. It was, you know what, it was giving too dressy, so I passed. So all that, and I ended up only taking 3 items. This knit cardigan I was gonna take, but I was in line and realized it had a huge hole, so didn't take it. Sorry this trip was kind of boring. Get ready because Tuesday's video is gonna slay. I'm so excited for y'all to see, and I will see you next week.